Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the respiratory system. Human respiratory system includes nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, bronchi, and a thin muscular sheet, diaphragm, which forms the floor of the thoracic cavity. The air enters through nasal cavity, then passes through trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, and alveoli. In alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. These alveoli are thin-walled air-filled sacs through which exchange of gases takes place. So children, when we talk about respiration, respiration includes breathing, external respiration, internal respiration, and cellular respiration. Children, don't get confused between breathing and respiration. Breathing refers to the process of inhaling and exhaling air from our lungs. That is intake of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide. Whereas respiration is process of chemical reactions that occurs inside the body and releases energy. Children, we should know the difference between respiration and breathing. Respiration and breathing both takes place all the time, whereas respiration takes place in every cell and breathing is specifically takes place in lungs. Respiration involves breakdown of food to release energy, whereas breathing is exchange of gases with the environment. Respiration uses oxygen obtained from breathing, whereas breathing takes in oxygen from environment. Respiration produces carbon dioxide, whereas breathing removes carbon dioxide produced during respiration. So children, breathing involves taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Okay, it is a physical or mechanical process. Breathing involves two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is taking in air rich in oxygen into the lungs, and exhalation is giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. The rib muscles and muscle of diaphragm work together to aid in breathing. So children, when we breathe in air, the ribs are raised upwards and outwards by the contraction of rib muscles and the diaphragm is pulled down. Children, you can see in this diagram the diaphragm is moving downwards. Due to this movement of diaphragm, the volume of thoracic cavity increases. And the air pressure inside the lungs decreases. Fresh air from the atmosphere having higher pressure rushes into the lungs through nostrils. Now children, whereas in case of exhalation, what happens? The ribs move downward and inwards and the diaphragm moves upward. So you can see the difference between inhalation and exhalation. Whereas in case of inhalation, diaphragm is pulled downward and in exhalation, diaphragm is moved upward. That is, it returns to its normal shape. Diaphragm returns to its normal shape. The volume of thoracic cavity will decrease. That is, volume of thoracic cavity and lungs will decrease. And air from the lungs is pushed out through air passage and nostrils. So during exhalation, volume of thoracic cavity decreases and air is rushed out. So children, when we look at the difference between inhalation and exhalation, inhalation is taking in of fresh air, whereas exhalation is exhale of carbon dioxide. Okay, when we inhale in oxygen, diaphragm is moved down and lung capacity increases, whereas in case of exhalation, diaphragm returns to its normal position and lung capacity decreases.